Tropical Storm Isaias now has maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour, and it is moving northwest at around 20 miles per hour. In the cone of uncertainty for Monday and Tuesday include eastern South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, eastern Virginia, central and eastern Maryland, all of Delaware, South Jersey, central Jersey, Philadelphia, and I think New York City is in there as well. So just monitor this if you live along the East Coast. So that's all for this update. So I will catch you guys in the next update.